Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Skrill Virtual Card. First of all, log into your Skrill account, go to the Cards and Bank Accounts section and click on Add Virtual Card. Fill in the details and select your card currency to create your Skrill Virtual Card. Keep in mind, in some countries, the cards and bank accounts option may not be available. This feature might be specific to regions like the UK or others, so first ensure that virtual card creation is supported in your country. Once created, you will see your Skrill virtual card details, including the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Keep this information safe. To pay online, simply enter your Skrill virtual card details at the checkout like you would with any debit or credit card. It's perfect for secure payments. And that's how you use the Skrill virtual card shop safely, pay securely, and enjoy peace of mind. Thanks for watching.